Hello all, Stereo Man on location at a customer's residence, working on this very nice 2014 Lexus IS 350. And we're going to be putting a basic remote start, which is the new RS 380 series. And it's going to lock, unlock doors, pop the trunk, as well as remote start the vehicle from approximately 800 to 1,000 feet away. And if you want it, you can have it. All you got to do is make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. It is cold in the Atlanta area. You need to make the call. Why get in a cold car when you don't have to? Make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Let's get started, shall we? As you can see, we are into the wiring. A lot of stuff that has to come apart in this vehicle, but when we get finished, you won't be able to tell anything was ever disassembled, which is what you always get when you come to Greer Auto. When you desire the best, you make the call. It really is just that simple. 708-821-3526. And remember, we can come to your home, your job, your place of business, your hairdresser. It doesn't matter. What does matter is that you make the call. It really is just that simple. And do not try this at home. If you have not been extensively trained in this, do not attempt it, because you can cause a lot of damage in a very short period of time. So when you want this for your car, hey, call the pros here at Greer Auto. 708-821-3526. Let's finish up. We're all finished with the IS 350. Look inside. You don't see any wires hanging, nothing loose, nothing broken, nothing in disarray. Everything retains a factory appearance, just like when we started on the vehicle. I can utilize the new remote. I can lock the doors. Doors lock, lights flash, factory alarm activates as well. I can unlock the doors and everything. It has driver's door priority. And trunk feature, as you can see. Now, the main feature, remote start. Hit the start button twice. Starts right up, and you see the status light in the windshield. And as you know, with Toyota and Lexus push to starts, they don't have what's called secure takeover, just like Honda and Acuras. So when you open the door, as a safety feature, it's going to shut down the remote start. Another feature that we did, we incorporated the remote start into the customer's factory key fob as well. So if they hit the lock button 3 times on the factory key fob, it'll start up as well. But as you know, the factory key fobs typically work 50 to 100 feet away, while our remotes have 800 to 1,000 foot range. That's with no obstructions, of course. And you can turn it off with either remote, doesn't matter. On the factory remote, you just have to hit the lock button 3 times again. And that shuts it right down. You need to make the call. It's just that simple. There is no point in getting in a cold car when you don't have to. 708-821-3526. And remember, all of our remote starts come with lifetime warranty on parts and labor. Make the call. It's just that simple. 708-821-3526. Follow us, like us, subscribe to us, call us, and refer us. Until the next time, peace, God bless you, and we'll see you at the next install.